Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add music to Spotify on Android as well as on iPhone. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and search for Spotify and download Spotify. And then you need to open Spotify. Once you open Spotify, then you need to click on the gear icon in the top right. And here you need to scroll down until you will find an option of local files. Click on that option, show audio files from this device, click on allow and click on your library, and here you can see your local files, and here you can see all my local file here. So this is a process by which you can add songs or music to your Spotify from your Android or your iPhone device. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.